Hi everyone, we're going to do a reverse unboxing. You can see I've already unboxed my goodies. So I thought we'd do a reverse one because I've absolutely got to show you this box that I got, and you can see it's from the gorgeous Lisa Horton. So I got this box today and I couldn't wait to do an unboxing. So obviously we're doing a reverse unboxing, so I'm going to show you the reverse way. But all those gilding flakes in there that you can see, let me lift this back up for you. Look at all those beautiful gilding flakes that she's included in for me. I've got lots of her ink pads there. I've got some beautiful stenciling brushes. I've got my ultimate, and then obviously reversing what we're doing, she's included some amazing masking tape in here for me. I've got some beautiful brushes. Look at those. I love how everything says Lisa Horton on there. So I've got 3 different size brushes in there. I've got some re-inkers for all those ink pads that she's included in here for me. Another set of stencil brushes. Now this is where it gets a bit crazy because I've got lots of these beautiful enamel domes in here, and then we've got my ink pad holder. I've got that beautiful stamp, right? I've got some dies, some stencils that go on that beautiful ultimate. I have got some more dies, some more stencils, 3D, let me use this hand, 3D embossing folder, another embossing folder, another 3D embossing folder. Look at it all. Another 3D embossing folder. Let's bring this one. Look at these layering stamps. How gorgeous are they? And you can see here, look, another beautiful 3D embossing folder. Another 3D embossing folder, again beautiful. These have got dies in them as well. Another 3D embossing folder. Oh, look at these. Look at all these stamps. So you've got happy, you've got birthday, you've got you with all those different sentiments, you've got best, we've got thanks on there, we've got congrats, and if we look over here, you can see there's another 3D embossing folder. I've got a gilding flakes toolkit for all those gilding flakes that you saw she'd included. I've got some more embossing folders, bringing these in, look. Some more dies, look at those. I can't even get them back in the box, look. Another stencil, and then she's included, oh, I've got glue. So I'm excited to use that because you know me and my glue. And then I've got these here. So these all go with that ultimate. You've got that cutting and blending mat there. I've also got that tacky mat there. And I've even got some Lisa Horton textured cardstock. It's a 12 by 12. So not much there, was there? So I can't thank Lisa enough for sending me all these goodies to get me back on my crafting journey. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing, and if there's anything in here that you want to ask me about, anything in particular you'd like to see, just drop me a comment in the comments, obviously, and just let me know.